Okay guys, in this video we're going to go ahead and explain to you how you're going to assess yourself now other than a score on how you did. Now what you need to do is go ahead and you're going to get two sheets of paper that are stapled together. This first one you've done before. You're going to look at all 10 questions from yesterday's assessment, and based on the video you're going to tell me if you got the answer right or if you got the answer wrong. Every learning target for every problem should have either a right or a wrong check mark next to it. If it's right, then move on to the next problem. If it's wrong, then let me know if it's a simple mistake or if it was something that needed more study. A simple mistake would be like your decimal was wrong, you multiplied a little bit off, whatever it is, something that you knew what you were doing, but something in the calculation was just a little bit missed. If it was something that was totally like you were just miles away from the right answer, then you're probably going to want to go ahead and check the box more study. Each problem tells you what the learning target was, what the topic that was being tested was in that question. And here you have all 10 learning targets. Some repeat, but most of them are different. Now, after you've done this, and this is the easy part, then you have to go ahead and go back over here to the next part, which is an explanation. I want you to list all the learning targets that you got right in this first box. Of course, if you got 100, then your assignment ends here. But if not, then you need to go to the next step. And that's the next box. What are you pretty good at but need a little more review with? These are the things that you got wrong, but you only missed them because of simple little mistakes. Whatever those learning targets were, go ahead and write them in the paper here. And I need you to tell me what you're going to do to help keep this from happening again. Maybe you're going to check your work or check your math twice, or maybe you're going to watch your decimal place. Whatever it is, write down what you're going to do. And you do need to have something written here for both of these parts. Finally, I need to keep learning these. Whatever learning targets you missed by like a lot, go ahead and write those learning targets here. And then tell me what are you going to do to get better at them. Are you going to practice them at home? Are you going to go to YouTube and look up different videos that help you do it? Are you going to ask a teacher? Are you going to ask a friend, a parent, a sibling? Who? What are you going to do to get help with this? Because you need to get help. Because down here, before you sign, you have to recognize that in a week from today, which is next Wednesday, you're going to have your final exam. And it's up to you to figure out how you're going to get help or clarification for these learning targets that you did not do so well in. You need to sign down here before this will be accepted, otherwise you're going to get a 0 for today's daily grade. Having this completed, both this page and the front page will give you a free 100 for a daily grade. So make sure it's completed in full. If you have any questions about this, please ask your teacher. Thank you.